Good morning. Today is Wednesday. It's about 11:20 a.m. We are inspecting the sewer line at the property 417 Bowling Green Way in city of Los Angeles. We have accessed the main sewer line via 4-inch cleanout on the north side of the house. There is a cleanout right at the bottom of the foundation. There is a 4-inch cleanout cap that comes off of the foundation from underneath the house. So far, I have pushed my camera about 110 feet into the sewer line, which takes us right by the front of the main entrance. I have located and pinpoint that spot, so I'm gonna show it on the pictures on the report. So for right now, we're gonna start pulling the camera back out to the cleanout from this point so we can inspect the main sewer line that comes across the house. The pipe that you're looking at right now, it is a 4-inch ABS plastic pipe. Right here, there is an additional clean out by the front of the house, by the porch. So we're going to continue the inspection from this point all the way out to the public city sewer, which is right at the street side. So again, this is a 4-inch ABS plastic, okay, that we're pulling back. Camera, everything at this point. The time of the inspection seems to be in good working condition. There is no debris or standing water in the pipe. That means that the pipe is properly sloped at about 1/4 inch per foot or 2% downgrade. There is no significant amount of buildup at this time. Everything seems to be flowing the way it should. So if you can see on the left bottom side of your screen, the counter says we're about 72 feet away from the cleanout. So which is almost by the middle of the house. So in a few seconds we're gonna make right here. We're making a 90-degree turn that takes us to the north side of the house, straight to the cleanout where I am accessing the sewer line. Again, everything seems to be working properly at the time of the inspection. So far at this section of the sewer line underneath the house, there are no recommendations at the time of the inspection. So now we are about almost 40 feet into the sewer. So the second part of the video will be from the front clean out, and we'll try to make it all the way into the public city sewer connection. So that part will cover from the front yard out to the street. So pipe looks clean, no debris or whatsoever. So we're almost out of the sewer, and I will point the camera at the clean out access. Okay, I'm coming off the sewer line, and this is the 4-inch clean out right there. Okay, we'll move on to the front yard so we can record the second part. Okay, this is the second part of the video where you can see that we have pushed the camera all the way out to the public city sewer. This is almost actually it's in the middle of the street, and we're gonna start pulling back the camera out to the front clean out by the porch, just a little bit south of the main entrance. The pipe right here, it is a vitrified 6-inch clay. Okay, there is a big separation gap between the two joints of the pipe right here. These could potentially lead to water seeping or leaking out of the sewer pipe at this point. This is underneath the street, by the middle of the street actually. There's another big separation right here where there is a standing water. Okay, these separations could lead to a potential root intrusion because the line, the pipe is not perfectly aligned. Okay, we're coming back from the middle of the street back into the property. There are some signs of roots right here on your left side of the screen at about 9 o'clock. Again, this is 6-inch vitrified clay pipe. Okay, right here we can see signs of roots intrusion already into the sewer line. Right here, there is a massive root intrusion, and I will show you where is it coming from. Okay, this is a long root that came in from probably a joint of the pipe. So right here, this is the beginning of the root. Right there at this joint. Okay, so it's a long root that it's penetrating the sewer line at this point. 20 feet from the access point. Okay, so you can see a little bit of roots hanging down the pipe at about 9 o'clock again. So this section right here is right at the property line. It is at the middle of the sidewalk. So from this point back into the property, this is a 4-inch ABS plastic pipe that right at this point where they made the connection or the turn is holding water. So this needs to be corrected. This is a chimney drop right here, and the bottom fitting, it's holding water, so that needs to be corrected. So we're coming back up, and this is the end of the chimney drop right here. So we are already the front yard inside the property. Into the property will be out of the sewer line, and I will point at that 4-inch clean out, but it's underneath the bushes by the front porch. Okay, that's the clean out right there. It's in a hidden location, not too accessible, but I was able to locate that. So these are the front bushes right here, and that's the main entrance of the house. Okay, so that's it for today. My name is Jose Palma with Drainbus Security.